Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set show follower count in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into settings. Then we scroll down and under public profile settings we tap on our name, then tap on edit profile, and here we have show follower count. We can turn this on so people checking out our profile can see how many followers we have, and we can turn this off just the same way so people won't see the number of followers that we have on our account. So yeah, you can just toggle this here, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.